Hey friends, if you're looking for last minute appetizers for game day, then these two that I'm making today may be something you might enjoy. So if you're just looking for something to add to what you're already going to make, or you're still trying to decide what you want to make, these are really easy and delicious. So you need a bag of frozen meatballs. You may need two, and a jar of sweet chili, a half a cup of ketchup, and then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And that's it. So really simple and easy to make, and I'm going to show you how quickly you can put this together. So you need to put your sweet chili into a bowl, add the ketchup to that. You want to mix that up until, all of that gets combined, and then add the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And just mix it up. Make sure you get that all dissolved in there, get that brown sugar dissolved and mixed in well. Now, this is, like I said, that's it. Now you're going to take the meatballs and put them in your crock pot. Now, it called for 30. This is just one bag. It has about 18 in it. But it's just my husband and myself, so that's why I only did one, but you can add 2 to this. And I just mix it up just to make sure that it gets all coated. I had some of these little smokies, so I decided to add that in with it. And just, stir it up. Make sure you coat it well with all of that sauce. And basically, you're just going to cover it and cook it for about 1 to 2 hours, just depending on, because those are frozen. Just, we want to cook it all together, get that flavor in there. But I'm going to show you in the end, all of this together. This second one is a very simple one, and it's basically like a pig's in a blanket, but it's a jalapeno popper one. And I do a jalapeno popper type appetizer every year. I just do something different with it. So this year I decided to do one with the little those little smokies. So I have about, I think it's 16. And then half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese. To make it easy, I decided to use diced jalapeno peppers that come in the can instead of chopping it up and going through all that. Simple. 1/4 of a cup of that, and you just drain off most of that juice. You need some chopped bacon, so 1/4 of a cup of chopped bacon, and instead of cooking bacon, I decided just to use this. This comes in handy for a lot of different recipes. It's already done. It's already chopped up. And then you need 4 ounces or a half of block of cream cheese softened and 1 can of the crescent rolls. And this one, another easy one to put together, really quick. So all you're going to do is take your softened cream cheese, put it in a bowl, and I just like to, kind of spread it out a little bit. Just that way it's going to make it easier when I add this cheese to it. And then just fold it over, fold it in, and then it's going to be thick. So just get it to where, it loosens up a little bit. And then after that, you're going to add the jalapeno peppers, and then add the chopped bacon. And then you're just going to mix all of that up again. And like I said, it is definitely a very thick mixture. But once you get it all combined, it works out, perfectly fine. So I'm going to put that to the side, and then I'm going to show you the next step, which is very simple and easy as well. Now you're going to spread your crescent roll out and then cut where the original lines are. And using a pizza cutter helps to do that. It makes it a lot easier than pulling it apart. Once you have it cut on the original pieces, then you're going to take each crescent roll and you're going to cut it in half. So you will get, 2 per crescent roll. And then I always leave my crescent roll in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. That way it doesn't get to room temperature too quickly. It's just easier to work with when it's, been in the refrigerator for a little while. And once you have them all cut, then take the cream cheese mixture and put that onto each crescent roll. and you want to do that towards the back end of it, the wider part. And then you're going to put your smoky on there, the little smoky, and then roll it up. And that is it. So that's why I said these are just so simple and easy to make. Now, I wanted to show you, you're going to continue to do that for the rest, but I wanted to show you here, I spread that cream cheese mixture out just a little bit more towards the middle of it, so that way you kind of have it throughout the crescent roll. So just continue to do that, and you will put this in the oven on either 350 or 375. I did mine on 350, and I just put a like an egg wash on top before putting it in the oven, and I let it bake until they became, golden brown and the crescent roll was completely cooked. And this is what they look like together. And I just put a few here just to show you, what they look like. But the meatballs were really delicious. So this has a sweet and spicy taste to it. Really loved it. I always do a traditional, barbecue meatball. But this one I really do like. And I think we will make this again, a lot more often. It's very, very good. So if you like sweet and spicy, that's a good one. This one is really delicious. Like I said, it's pigs in a blanket, jalapeno style popper. And these were really, really good. So definitely enjoyed those. Love that jalapeno in there with the cheese and everything. So just 2 iconic type appetizers you can have. And I want to say congratulations to Drew Brees. We're excited because he is inducted into the 2026 Pro Football Hall of Fame. Even though our, Saints team did not make it, we're excited that a former quarterback of ours that we adored is in the Hall of Fame. So we're excited about that. And I hope that you enjoy these appetizers if you make them. They really are good. And like I said, last minute, quick and easy to make. And these are good to make even if you're not watching the Super Bowl on Sunday. But I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's going to notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a very blessed day. God bless y'all.